Being with a market leader company in such an amazing, soaring industry, the opportunities are endless.
Yeah, I think the best thing that I've seen, for myself personally and the team as well, is just that you're able to go and work on so many different things.
I've also been given a lot of opportunities here to shine by the senior level management.
It is so inspiring and so rewarding to know that a platform that you're building can actually make people make money and make living.
Bringing projects to the table and actually getting them executed too. That was really, really cool for me as an engineer.
We've worked on feeds, we've worked on search, we've worked on all kinds of different pieces of our platform.
What makes me feel valued is that no role is small here.
And that definitely feels very inspiring that, you're making an impact.
And that excites me to no end. I have been here for 7 years with that in mind, and I'm continuing to see where else the company will go and my career will go along with it.